Hello there, this is Galactica Transticker with another tutorial video. In this video, as you can see, I've created a drum beat using the step sequencer on Logic Pro X. What I want to do, I want to have all these instruments drive their own track. So, if I open the mixer up, as you can see, they haven't got their own tracks. So, to do that, what you do, you click on this bit, you right click, and you go to convert, or you can use the convert at the top, and you convert to MIDI region. That turns that green so into a MIDI region. Now what you do, you make sure you click on that, you go to edit, then you go to separate MIDI events, separate by note pitch. So you click on that. No, that happened. No. Then what you do, you make sure that you click on this bit. So I'm right clicking on that, and then you select Flatten Stack, and there you go. It has separated all the instruments into their own tracks. So if I go into the mixer now, as you can see, they've all got their own tracks. I hope this has helped, and remember to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and see if we can hit 1,000 subscribers, and see you again. Thank you.